This is a little video on flow and an answer to a question on how I ended up here in Nepal, as I was intending to be in Africa doing some other training, a couple different types of training. So anyway, I was in Africa, and when you're working with alleviating resistance in yourself to various objects of meditation, you start to observe when there is resistance building up environmentally, and a resistance that is an indication that you are acting in contrast to what might be a more usable or accessible flow for you. So I was starting to feel that, and then I booked a plane ticket to Egypt. Why Egypt? Because I needed to go somewhere that had an embassy for Gabon, which is in Western Africa. And the closest place to where I was, Tanzania, that had an embassy was Ethiopia, and I figured why not go just a little further to Egypt, spend a few weeks, a month in Egypt, get this visa, and then head over to Gabon. Now it turns out that to get into Egypt, until a couple months ago, for Canadians, you could do visa on arrival. But starting a couple months ago, no more visa on arrival for Canadians, which leaves me in the airport in Egypt waiting for a visa, and they go, nope, you're not coming in. So then I had to figure out where to go, and I'd been thinking about other places in Africa, Morocco, Tunisia, and they wouldn't let me sign into the internet to buy a new plane ticket when I was at the airport. You have to have an Egyptian phone number to sign in to the internet there, which I don't have. So one of the guys there, this is weird. One of the guys there, there's a sign that says Army area, no entry, but there's also a main road right here that sells stuff. So I'm either in an area that is Army, no entry, somehow, and I need to get out. Anyway, so the manager there gave me 30 minutes on the internet to book a ticket somewhere. So as I was thinking about Morocco and Tunisia, I just typed in Kathmandu and bought a ticket, and here I am in Nepal. So anyway, that's how I got here. It's kind of entertaining. Now I have to figure out how to get out of here because there's razor wire everywhere, and it looks uncomfortable. All right, to be continued.